Hi guys. So I'm sure you guys might have come across the requirement of a tool which can scan a PDF file and can detect a table present in it and can convert that table into a Excel format, or can extract that table into a Excel file, right? So with that, to solve that kind of ask, I have made a tool, a very simple small tool to detect tables from any PDF, be it text PDF or scanned image PDF, and give the output, extract the table and give the output in a Excel format. So I'll without spending more time here, I'll just jump into the demo. So here I have it, and before I show you the demo, let me walk you through the sample PDF tables that I have. So I have this invoice table, and this can be any PDF. This can be a text PDF, this can be an image PDF, right? So that doesn't matter, this tool will still be able to extract the table out of it. Okay, so this is one of the example, and let me also quickly show you the other example that I have. This is another example where I have this table, right? And we'll use run both of them through our tool to see how the Excel output comes up. Okay, so I'll launch my tool. Okay, so this is the tool. Here I'm going to browse and select the PDF file, on which I want to apply this solution, table detection. So let me select this invoice sample first. Okay, and once I have selected it, I can select the page number, uh, you know, uh, on which the table will be. I mean, out of which page I need to extract that table. So once I have selected that page number, I'll click on page image just to see the page itself, so that I'm sure that this is the page from where I need to extract the table. Once I'm able to see the page here, I'll click on the detect table button here. So what that will do is that will quickly detect the tables that are present on this page and will show me. Okay, so let's click on detect table, and here is the detected table. Now these are the tables, but then you will in many scenarios for different table formats or different PDF files, you may find some anomalies detected also. So besides this table, you see one uh, you know vertical line, or you can say a very thin rectangle has also been detected as one of the cells. So this is not right. I don't want this to come here. So what I can do is I will simply come here and I can change the settings. So since it is detecting one additional vertical line, I'm going to reduce the vertical filtering by, let's say, 40, and I'm then going to detect the table again. And this time you see that additional uh, cell that was getting identified as table has got removed, and I now have the perfect table, right? So I, by default, you will see the horizontal line settings and the vertical line settings as 50-50. That will suit in most of the cases, hence I have given them the default value as 50-50. But whenever you come across any sample that has also detected, besides the table, that has also detected many anomalies, you will have to tweak the settings here and then do the detect table again to narrow down on the best possible table that you have, right? Once you do that, you can also click on show cells. So what show cells will quickly do is it will go through each and every cell and will show you that these are the cells and these are the contents. So if I show you, if I click on show cells, you see it is now telling me. So let me go here. Now it is telling me this is the first cell and this is the image of that cell. If I close this, it will take me to the second cell. So this is the second cell and this is the image of it. If I close it, it has taken me to here. This is the third cell and this is the image, exactly the same image. And likewise, I mean, okay, if I keep on doing it, so quantity, it is now showing quantity, then it will show the cell right below that. If I close this, it will now show me the price. And if I close it, this cell is going to get represented, then the amount is being displayed. And if I close it, this cell is being displayed. And now this cell, if I close it, once you get into it, you'll have to go through all the cells. It's one of the improvement areas still I have. So, and this last cell, right? Now, if I close it, all the cells have been, seen. So once you have detected the table, you can directly click on to Excel. Show cell is not compulsory, but if you just want to be sure what all cells are going to be in your table, you can check with it. But once you have detected the table, simply click on to Excel, and what will happen is it will generate a Excel file for you. Okay, so here it is. So it has generated the Excel file. So if I open that PDF once again, sample PDF here and here. So if you match it with the Excel file, so first column will, first row will contain these item description, quantity, price, and amount. I see this additional cell has come. So this is just the very first POC version of it. So it has some issues with it. So just you can just ignore them, but you can see how every cell has been captured into a independent cell here in the Excel. Okay, and similarly for the other areas also, and this amount has also come here, and then similarly these amounts, the 00 and 1 blank, and then again 00 has come here, and this cell has definitely come here, and this is why that additional column has appeared. But then, as I said, this is just the first version, and it can be improved a lot to bring the exact table as it was in the PDF file, in the Excel. So let's quickly go through the second example also. So I'll go back to my tool. Let's try to get the second example. Okay, so now let me select the page number 1, and let me see the page. Let me close this PDF. Let's click on page image, and as you can see, that page has been detected. If I open the PDF file, you will see the same page. Okay, this page has got detected here, and now once I have detected the page, you see this will, this will be good with the settings of 50/50 also. So if I detect table, I'll be able to detect the table very well. So this is the exact table. Now once I have detected the table, I can go through the show cells, but there are too many cells. I don't want to get into it, and this is also not a compulsory step. I'll simply click on to Excel. As soon as I do that, you will see this entire table getting extracted into a Excel file and given to me. Okay, so let's give it a moment. There are too many cells. It may take a little more time than the previous example. And in the meanwhile, I can keep an eye here. Okay, so yeah, here the Excel output of that table. And since this is a very clean table, you see a very clean output in the Excel. So let's see how many numbers. What was the last comment? So the last column is last settlement date, and I have already done this exercise. I have matched everything with every cell, and this matches exactly 100% accurately. Okay, so this is how this tool can work. Anyone interested to just to play with this tool, do let me know. I'll be happy to share exe version of this tool, and I'll be open for any feedback, and I'll be also open for any comments or questions on what additional we can do to it. We can do a lot more things with it. It is just a very basic POC that I have made, and there are additional settings also for some different kind of tables. You may need to tweak. There can be more knobs and uh, dials to be turned to detect the perfect table. So these features will come soon, and besides these also there can be a lot of things that can be done with the you know table detection for PDF files. So this is it what I wanted to show you guys. Thank you so much for watching it. Do let me know if you want to try on this tool, and I'll be happy to share the exe with you. Thank you so much guys for watching. Bye. Have a good day.